How to shop with Alexa on Amazon app. Want to shop with your voice? This guide shows you how to shop with Alexa on Amazon app so you can buy products with voice commands. First, open the Amazon shopping app. At the bottom of your screen, you'll see an Alexa icon. Tap on it to activate Alexa. You'll hear a sound confirming that Alexa is listening, and you can then say the name of product that you want to buy. You can say things like, Alexa, order a new pair of shoes, or Alexa, add coffee to my cart. Alexa will search for the product and add it to your cart. You can then go to your cart and proceed to checkout. You can also use Alexa to track your orders. You should know that before Alexa places an order, she will ask for a confirmation from you. You can say yes to confirm the order, or no to cancel it. This is to ensure that you don't accidentally buy something that you don't want. It is a great way to shop hands-free. You now know how to shop with Alexa on Amazon app. Get ready to buy products with your voice commands. Like and subscribe for more app tips.